how to sign up for a Spark Driver delivery account. First, you will need to download the app from the App Store. It looks like this, Spark Driver, and then once you install it, download it and install it, you will click on Open. Now here it's going to show up this sign up or log in into your account. It's going to ask for your email address. So put your email address in and click on Continue here. And if you don't have an account, it's automatically going to detect it and it's going to begin the sign up process. It's going to ask for your first name, last name, phone number, and password. So I will fill out this information and come back to you. Okay, so what followed was Spark Driver asking me to confirm my email address. So I had to give them a code which they sent to my email. After I had given them that code, then they sent a code to my phone number as well. And all I had to do was to provide the code on my mobile phone number, and that created my Spark Driver account. And now you can sign in using your email address. You will just click on Continue, and you will need to use the password. You will need to use the password which you set for your account, and that's how you sign up. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.